Radhe Radhe. So this would be your reading from Aries to Pisces for the rest of the month of March. Okay, I'll be covering your career and relationship. Okay, I'll go from Aries to Pisces. Let me see what's coming up for Aries for the rest of the month. Aries, how would be your career? When it comes to your career, you might be having some trust issues on what wherever you're working. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है, if you feel like you are not being paid well, or there is something that is disturbing you at your workplace, so I'm seeing you planning ahead. I mean, planning something new, okay, which will give you that emotional and financial contentment wherever you're working. Okay, Aries, this is for the rest of the March. Okay, now let me see for your relationship. How would be your relationships, Aries? Relationship wise, I can clearly see that you are manifesting something. It can be something new. It can be you're manifesting somebody in particular, Aries, because I can clearly see some loneliness from within. You're not very much content. And I'm so sorry to say, for the rest of the March, I'm seeing that when it comes to your relationship, also, when it comes to your career, also, you're not very much content from within, and you're trying to. Bring something new to your life. You're trying to change the scenario. You're trying to plan anything which will bring that contentment into your life, and that's great, because see, you are a magician. You are a magician, Aries. You have that capability to bring those changes in your life. Okay, and this is just for the rest of the month. Don't, no worries. Okay, let me see for Taurus. Taurus, how would be your career in month of March? Taurus, career wise. Just a minute. Career wise, Taurus. Career wise, I can clearly see that you may be facing some office politics. You may feel like there is something which is going on behind your back. You may feel like people are trying to betray you. You may feel like some backbiters are there around you. Okay, so you're trying to cut off any negative circumstances from your life. You're सपोज जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास है, ठीक है, सपोज यू आर डाउटिंग somebody in particular or some situation in particular, so I can clearly see that you cutting these people and situation out of your life when it comes to your career and planning something ahead, Taurus. Let me see how would be your relationships in general, Taurus. Relationship wise, I can clearly see that you have put the relationship aspect at the back burner. Okay, you're not at all focusing on these things at present for the rest of the March. Okay, this is just the energy of March, and because I have clearly seen that you know that there are people around you who are willing to grab your attention. You're not focusing on these people, and they are trying to do something so that आपका ध्यान उनके ऊपर जाए, ऐसा कुछ, but you're just keeping these things on back burner. Okay, for a while, for this month, for the remaining days of March. Okay, and you're trying to focus absolutely on your career, क्योंकि वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा परेशान दिख रहे हैं मुझे. Okay, Taurus, no worries, this is just the energy of March. We'll see what happens in April later on. Okay, let me see for Geminis. Geminis, how would be your career in the month of March? Geminis, career wise, you're maintaining see, you're maintaining balance, and balance in terms of, see, there can be that पास्ट में कुछ आपका प्रोजेक्ट है जिसको लेकर आपने सोचा होगा कि ओके, आई विल बी फिनिशिंग दीज थिंग्स इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च, एंड आई एम सीइंग यू वर्किंग ऑन दोज थिंग्स. यू आर ट्राइंग टू बैलेंस योर करंट वट एवर प्रोजेक्ट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन. जो काम आपका अभी है, आप उस पर फोकस्ड है, एंड साइड बाई साइड यू आर ट्राइंग टू इनिशिएट समथिंग जो आपका प्रीवियसली पेंडिंग रहा हो और आपने सोच कर रखा हो कि ये आपको दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम में आपको कंप्लीट कर लेना है. एनी हाउ, आई एम सीइंग यू वेरी फोकस्ड ऑन योर करियर. ओके, Geminis, let me see how would be your relationships in general. Gemini, see, relationship wise, you know people around you love you a lot. You know that if you're putting efforts in any relationship or anybody in particular, you're giving your best, and this makes you happy actually, and you are feeling very content from within, that you can I can clearly see that आपको ऐसा feel हो रहा है कि people around you they admire you actually, दिल से, ऐसे दिखावे वाला नहीं. Okay, Geminis, you, और अभी तक अगर आपको ऐसा feel नहीं हुआ तो feel होगा. You will definitely feel it in the month of March, the remaining days. Okay. Okay, great. Let me see for Cancerians. Cancerians, how would be your career in the month of March? The remaining days of March. Cancerians, career-wise. Career-wise, I can clearly see that you are waiting onto something. ऐसा लग रहा है as if you are putting some efforts onto yourself, your development, your skill development and all, and you're waiting for the results. You're waiting for the rewards of your labor, and it will definitely manifest because it is actually on the way. No worries, Cancerians. Stay blessed. Let me see how would be your relationships in general, Cancerians. Relationship wise, Cancerians, please avoid any third party situation in your life. Third party doesn't mean any male or female in particular in the loving, as a loving interest. No, it can be anybody. It can be some friends who are interfering between your relationship. It can be any family member. कोई भी हो सकता है कैंसरियन. ओके, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, बट ट्राई नॉट टू लिसन और डू नॉट शेयर मच विथ एनीबडी इन योर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स. जो हो रहा है जस्ट कीप इट टू योर सेल्फ. ओके, बिकॉज आई एम एक्चुअली मैं एम सीइंग यू वेरी ग्राउंडेड, but this is what I can clearly see in the background going on. Okay, try to avoid any advices given by others, at least for the remaining days of March. Okay. Okay, fine. Let me see for Leos. Leos, how would be your career in the month, in the remaining days of March? Leos, career-wise. Career-wise, I can see some changes, huge changes, and it can be a change of place also. It's very clearly visible here. Okay, and वो चीज़ें आपको headache दे रही हैं थोड़ा सा. It's like कि okay, my God, I have to take care of lot of things in my career. I have to change my place, and if it's not the change of place, it can be change of job also, or or I can clearly see that you're planning ahead some changes, and it is actually giving you headache. Obviously this is for your highest good and you already know this, but any change, whether it's positive or negative, तो शुरुआत में तो थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्ब करती ही हैं. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर द मैटर ऑफ टाइम, एंड फिर चीज़ें ठीक हो जाएंगी. ओके, यू नो इट एक्चुअली, बट जस्ट बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमंस, टेंडेंसी होती है हमारी टेंशन लेने की, है ना लियोस. लेट मी सी हाउ वुड बी योर रिलेशनशिप्स इन जनरल. रिलेशनशिप वाइज लियोस, हाउ वुड बी योर रिलेशनशिप्स इन जनरल. Relationship wise, great. You are saying you are ending something. Okay, I can relate now very easily. क्योंकि देखो, I told you there are some changes in the office workplace, some place change या फिर whatever I said. Okay. And again here, when it comes to relationship, I'm saying a new phase beginning. You are leaving behind people and you're starting something new, or you're willing to leave few people out of your life. You may be feeling कि इन लोगों से अब दोबारा connect नहीं करना है. There are few who are very close to you. You will be in touch with these people later on further in your life, and कुछ लोग हैं जिनको आप पीछे छोड़कर आगे बढ़ जाओगे. This is what's going on in your mind, Leo. Okay, now let me see for Virgos. Virgos, how would be your career in the remaining days of March? Virgos, how would be your career in the remaining days of March? Career wise, Virgos. Career wise, I can again, this is something similar to Leos that I saw. Okay, Virgos, you may have some Leo placements in your chart. Okay, please go through the reading that I have done for Leos also. That may resonate you, because I can clearly see that you are trying to balance out something in your career, because I can see huge changes. It can be a change of 360 degree. That हो सकता है कि this is there in your mind, or you're planning, or it is actually manifesting now. So this is a period of great and positive changes in your career, Virgos. All the very best. Let me see how would be your relationships in general, Virgos, in the remaining days of March. Great. So overall, अभी तक मैंने जितनी भी रीडिंग की Virgos, you're having the best readings yet. Because in terms of relationship also, I can clearly see that not everybody, but there are people, there are loved ones who are really supporting you at present in whatever you're doing. They understand you well, and you're feeling that sense कि चलो कोई बात नहीं है. Not if you cannot please everybody around you, no. So it's okay if you're not a you don't seem like a people pleaser, those who are watching especially, okay, Virgos. And I can clearly see that whatever changes are going on in your life, these people are there are people around you who are supporting you, and you want these people to stay in your life. You're feeling blessed in the remaining month of March, something like that. Okay, Virgo, stay blessed. Let me see for Libras. Libras, how would be your career? How would be your career in the month of March, Libras? Career wise, you know that you have put enough efforts, and universe has always favored you, but at present in the remaining days of March, I can see that you're feeling a little frustrated. ऐसे होता है ना कि काम करते 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 you are feeling like no, leave it behind, everything, you need a change, and you are leaving certain your work or something, although you're not like that in general. You're very much dedicated towards your work. It doesn't mean that other zodiacs are not. I'm just telling you in general. But I can clearly see that you just want to take some break out of your regular routine. Okay, this is what overall ठीक है, बाकी सब ठीक है. Okay, Libras. Let me see how would be your relationships in general, Libras. Relationship wise, whatever efforts you have already put, you cannot do anything more than that. Okay, still you can clearly see that there are people who are not um, very much happy, or they are not showing any gestures and gratitude towards you for whatever you have done. तो you are feeling कि छोड़ यार, रहने दो, जितना हुआ उतना हो गया, but I'm not willing to put any more efforts. And there are people around you who are actually giving you headache. No worries, Libras. These are just the energies of the remaining days of March. We'll see what happens in April, okay? All the very best, Libras. Try to protect your energies, Libra, okay? Let me see for Scorpio. Scorpios, how would be your career in general? Scorpios, your career in general. Scorpios. Just a minute. For Scorpios, career wise, there can be two situations where you are juggling. You're not feeling like taking any actions. You may feel like chalo, let things be the way it is, just go with the flow. जो चीजें चल रही हैं, if you cannot resolve the matter, let it be like that only for a certain period of time. Okay, and because you're waiting on for something, it can be some communication, it can be something for which you have already put efforts, or you're waiting for the rewards of your labor, as a kuch. Okay, although it's good. Scorpios, let me see how would be your relationships in general. Scorpios, relationship wise also, you're feeling very nostalgic. Overall, Scorpios, in terms of your career also, in terms of your relationship also, in both these aspects, I'm not seeing you taking any actions. Rather, you are just trying to go with the flow, and you are very much into your heads in the remaining month of March. No worries. We'll see what happens in April later on. Okay. Now, next, let me see for Sag. Sag, how would be your career in general? Sag. Career wise, you're feeling very stable in the remaining month of March. Can be because of anything. But I can clearly see that you're very much confident that everything which is coming up next would be in your favor, and it should be. Okay. Wherever you're working, you're feeling very stable, and you don't want any changes, but at least you're expecting something more out of it. No worries. It's good, Sag. Let me see how would be your relationships in general, Sag. Relationship wise, how would be your relationships in general, Sagittarius? Relationship wise, also great. you're maintaining some healthy boundaries with people around you, Saj, because you know that it is very much needed for your mental peace. I'm seeing you planning something for your loved ones, or it can be planning with your loved ones. Okay, for something, it can be anything, but it's very positive. Okay, no worries for the, it means overall for the remaining days of March, जब से आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, your month is good. Okay, Sag, stay blessed. Let me see for Capricorns. Capricorns, how would be your career the remaining days of March? Capricorns, career wise, great. And it is somehow similar to Sag. Capricorns, please go and go back. Timestamps are there, and please go through the readings of Sag also. You may have Sag placement, Sagittarius placement in your chart, because it is almost similar. Okay, you're feeling very stable. You feel like you're maintaining some boundaries also with people around you, and you're not allowing people to enter your zone. जितना जितनी जरूरत उतनी बात, no nonsense. The remaining month of March. Okay. Let me see. And you're planning something ahead, Capricorns. Let me see how would be your relationships in general. Capricorns. Relationship wise also कुछ नाराजगी है. Okay, there is something which is bothering you. You're very much focused on one particular aspect of your life. It can be a possibility that everybody around you is behaving so well, everything is okay, but you're focused on one particular person or one particular aspect of your life where you want things to be changed. ऐसे नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं, this way. Okay, not this way, that way. Okay, ऐसा कुछ. It's like despite the fact that everything is okay, you're feeling a little emptiness from within, because it is not exactly the way you manifested. Okay, and planning something ahead, and you are cutting out any nonsense discussions, any nonsense topics for the remaining month of March. And I'm seeing you very busy, very, very, very busy in this month. Okay, let me see for Aquarius. Aquarius, how would be your career in the remaining month of March? Just a minute. Career wise, Aquarius. Career wise, I can see that Aquarius, you must be planning for something new apart from whatever you're working. Suppose you're working somewhere and you feel like there must be some another source of income, or you would have received, or you may be receiving another offer or some ideas in your mind. Okay, and you are trying to research on those things, okay, whether to go ahead with this or not. It's good, Aquarius. Let me see for how would be your relationships, Aquarius. Relationships in the remaining days of March, Aquarius. Relationship wise, Aquarius, I can clearly see that you have already put a lot of efforts in with your loved ones, and you're always into action most of the time. Those who are watching, especially, like apne logon ko, friends and family, it can be anybody. If they need you, you're there, standing for them, always prepared. Okay, that's so sweet. And rest is okay, Aquarius. Let me see for Pisces. My lovely Pisces, you waited for so long. Let me see how would be your career in the remaining month of March. Pisces, career wise. Career wise, I can clearly see that you're very much, very, very, very much focused. Like, what can be done to bring very positive and huge changes in your career? You want everything to be, upgraded. Okay, anyways. And you have some ideas, and whatever, and Pisces, keep it in mind, whatever idea is running into your mind recently, कुछ ऐसी बात ज़रूर है करियर को लेकर जो आपके दिमाग में बहुत दिनों से चल रही है. What to do, whether I should go with it or not, whether will it work or not. Keep it in mind. If there is something constantly going on in your mind, it will definitely work, because that is divinely guided. It is very clearly visible here. Go ahead. It will definitely work for you. Okay. Now let me see, Pisces, how would be your relationships in general? Pisces, How would be your relationships in general in the remaining days of March, Pisces? Relationship phase. See, Pisces, I can clearly see that you're very much focused on your work, but sidewise, you're keeping an eye on people around you. Like, are they really supporting you? At times, I'm seeing you stalking somebody in particular. It can be anybody. Pisces, किसकी stalking हो रही है? Okay, you're keeping an eye on, but it can be a particular person, and you're seeing that whether the person is really reciprocating the way you are doing, the way you have done everything till date, and you want some support from your near and dear ones ऐसा, and you are actually trying to figure it out कि ये लोग जितना शो कर रहे हैं, जितना दिखाते हैं, उतना सही में आपके अपने हैं भी या नहीं है. So this is just a contemplation, Pisces. No worries. We'll see how it goes in April. Chalo, overall it was good for Pisces also. All the very best, all of you. Radhe Radhe.